A lot of people think that when you're prepping for an Upstyle, hairspray will help you. It actually makes it more difficult unless you have a very, very soft brushable hold. So we recommend not using the hairspray to prep the hair. If you're worried about the curls staying, use a product with heat protection, but that also locks in that curl. For us, it's Oribe Soft Lacquer. You have to use it with heat or else it's sticky, but that's a really great product if you're doing like a half up, half down, or you want the curls to stay. If they're doing a wedding on the beach and say you have a humidity problem, anti-humidity is wonderful because it's nice and brushable. It doesn't make it sticky, but it will add that extra hold to block out frizz. Then we also have a texture spray, like dry texture spray or shampoo, and that is wonderful for the roots to build up a foundation for the teasing. It also is nice to work with because it's going to give you that texture and hold that you need throughout the style without making it stiff like a hairspray would. Okay, let's talk about the brushes. This first one is detangling. We're gonna run that through the hair before we get started. Then the second is a teasing comb. The one side of the bristles is used to actually pat in and add the teasing. These bristles are wonderful for layering and then that teasing. The other side is to activate the teasing that you create. This third brush is for smoothing the outside of the style, what's visible, without taking out the teasing. Okay, let's talk about bobby pins. There's one wavy side and one straight. The wavy side is for more hold, so you put that closest to the teasing. Hairpins are more for just helping you secure things visually, but they don't actually give a lot of hold like bobby pins. Elastics are used for max hold, and you can use the really tiny ones or you can use the bigger sized ones for thick hair. And this is an insert to build up shape and volume.